comprehensive chair under 1,000 reviews. Comparison massage chairs have become a staple for relaxation and wellness, offering a convenient way to relieve stress and muscle tension in the comfort of your home or office. With advancements in technology, even budget-friendly options under $1,000 provide impressive features such as heat therapy, vibration, and ergonomic designs. Manufacturer Royal Massage. The Ataraxia Deluxe Portable Folding Massage Chair by Royal Massage is a professional-grade option designed for portability and durability. Wrapped in oil-resistant and waterproof synthetic leather, this chair is built to withstand daily use. Its lightweight, foldable design allows for easy transport and storage, making it ideal for professionals on the go. The adjustable settings for seat height, armrest, and face cradle ensure a customizable experience for users of various sizes. With a solid steel frame capable of supporting up to 650 pounds, this chair is a robust choice for massage therapists, tattoo artists, or spa professionals. In practice, the Ataraxia chair excels in versatility and convenience. The adjustable components are easy to configure, and the chair remains stable during use, thanks to its noise-free steel frame. However, the lack of built-in massage functions limits its appeal for personal use at home. Its primary value lies in its portability and professional-grade build, making it a go-to for mobile practitioners. The Duke's Life 7-Point Massage Gaming Chair combines ergonomic design with massage functionality, making it a versatile option for gamers and office workers. Its high backrest, detachable headrest, and lumbar pillow provide excellent support, while the adjustable armrests and reclining backrest, up to 175 degrees, enhance comfort. The chair features a 7-point vibration massage system targeting the neck, back, lumbar region, and thighs, with customizable settings for intensity, modes, and timing. Wrapped in durable PU leather, the chair is both stylish and easy to maintain. During testing, the Duke's Life chair proved to be comfortable for extended periods, with the massage function effectively alleviating minor aches. However, as a vibration-only massager, it lacks the deep tissue relief provided by shiatsu or kneading mechanisms. The assembly process is straightforward, and the chair's robust build ensures durability. This chair is best suited for users who prioritize ergonomic seating with occasional vibration massage benefits. The Siley Chair Massager Seat Cushion is an affordable and portable solution for users seeking vibration massage with heat therapy. Featuring 10 strategically placed vibration motors, it targets the back, and thighs, offering customizable settings for intensity and focus areas. The integrated heat function includes 3 heating zones and adjustable durations, enhancing relaxation. Its foldable design, soft plush material, and lightweight construction make it easy to use on various seating surfaces, including office chairs, sofas, and recliners. While the Siley Massager is not a full-fledged massage chair, it provides excellent value for its price. The vibration massage is soothing, though not as intense as other mechanisms like shiatsu. The heating function is a standout feature, offering consistent warmth during use. This product is ideal for users on a budget who want a portable, low-maintenance massager for light relief. The Ezinkan Foldable Electric Massage Chair is a premium option that combines shiatsu, kneading, vibration, and heat functions. Designed for full-body relaxation, it features an adjustable neck massager, 8 rotating shiatsu nodes for the back, and a leg rest for added comfort. The chair's durable PU leather finish is easy to clean and exudes elegance. With no assembly required, this chair is ready to use out of the box, making it a convenient choice for users seeking a high-end experience. In terms of performance, the Ezinkan chair delivers a deeply relaxing massage experience, particularly with its shiatsu and heat functions. The adjustable neck massager accommodates various heights, and the leg rest adds an extra layer of comfort. However, its higher price point and bulkier design may not suit all users. This chair is best for those who want a comprehensive massage solution without the need for permanent installation. 5. The VanSpace Massage Office Chair is an ergonomic executive chair that doubles as a massage chair. It features a 7-point vibration massage system targeting the back, lumbar, and thighs with a retractable footrest and reclining backrest for added comfort. The chair is upholstered in premium leather, offering a professional look suitable for office or home use. Its adjustable height and tilt mechanism make it versatile for various seating preferences. While the VanSpace chair offers decent massage functionality, its vibration-only system lacks the depth of more advanced mechanisms. The chair's ergonomic design and adjustable features make it comfortable for extended use, though its build quality falls slightly short of premium standards. This chair is a good option for users seeking a dual-purpose office chair with light massage capabilities.